Welcome back everybody to a new video. Today we talked about that the breakout is most likely a fake out, and what do you know, we are going down again. So I'm going to show you exactly what happened. Before we continue, please like, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all, leave me a comment, share the video with your friends. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, links in the description. Okay, let's get into the charts. First of all, we are going to start off with BTC USD. Today we are only doing the smaller time frames because yesterday we did a bit of a longer video with the longer time frames from the weekly all the way back to an hourly. So today we are taking only the 4 hourly because of course on the bigger time frames barely anything has changed. This big yellow box, if you have missed it, that is the big support line. A support box actually where a lot of liquidity came in already multiple times here and here. We dipped it here. I said that was probably not enough. We might gonna really retest it with a big dip down or big retracement. Yesterday, and also updated you on Twitter, is that these are the resistance lines. So there's around 38, 40, 42, 42, 44. That are the lines that I'm looking at. And I said we are creating this double top on the, the double resistance for the top on the falling wedge, which means that the yellow one is connecting all the bodies and the white one is connecting all the wicks. So if you would only have traded, let's say, the yellow one, then you would have a lot of fake outs here and here and here and like today and yesterday again. Therefore I said if I want to become bullish, I want to see a clear breakout of both of the lines. That is for me the real confirmation, and then I'm also not getting into a different path or getting confused, and then I will probably put in a long. So if yesterday you would have put on a long here, you see that we just kind of went sideways and now we're breaking down again because we again got rejected from this resistance line. So this is on the 4 hourly and we just broke down. I think it's pretty clear. We broke down here. This was a bit of a messy area because you can see this was 38 right in between the 38,000 and this line underneath. We also broke that down. I'm saying that we were most likely fast going to the 35 and then even dip lower. My money is actually still on around the 30k level. So after this video I will most likely put in a short position. Let's zoom in on the hourly. Yeah, same kind of image, right? We have seen this pattern actually already quite recently. You're seeing a sideways action and suddenly boom, a drop down. Sideways action, suddenly boom, drop down. You can also say this is a barred pattern, you know, it's kind of a bit of the same. But the main story is that the bulls are just not stepping in. We miss the liquidity and then we don't need a lot to go down. For the bears to step in and to pull the price down. So that's just how simple it is. On the RSI so far, especially on the hourly and higher time frames, we still have a lot of room to go. MACD is a little bit messy here, but I think actually that this will be cleared out and then we're just going lower within the next 24 to 48 hours. On the smaller time frame, if you will be trading it, then we are hitting this oversold area here for the 15 minute. So we might bounce back up, maybe retest this and then going lower. So if you are planning on taking a short, I would say wait just a little bit. But on the other hand, these tiny bounces up are usually very short lived. So if you're really dumping down, then it's just a tiny breather and then going down. So this used to be a bit how it goes. So don't wait for it too long because the drop might be, let's say, 10-15%, and if you didn't get in at minus 10%, then you don't have a lot left. But like I said, here it is a little bit oversold. The oversold levels on smaller time frames, and with small I mean lower than an hour, don't mean anything during a dump and don't mean anything during a pump. Then you have minute charts that just completely explode and you think, oh, we gotta correct up or down. That is absolutely not the case. Let me see if I can. I'll see something else. Yeah, actually only the 10, 12, 15 minute, that is kind of what is showing now, a little bit oversold levels. Okay, let's quickly head over to ETH. Same kind of story. We went up yesterday, so this is again on the 4 hourly USD pair. We went up, we tested here the support line, and that was also in confluence here with the 2780, 2800 level. And you see that we had a lot of it took us a lot of energy to go through. What you actually want to see is maybe a bounce once or twice and then boom, through. And not this zigzagging around the level, because we have seen this so many times that zigzagging eventually is just weak price action. Actually the same you see a little bit here. It's like very indecisive, and then suddenly, oh, we're going up, oh, we're going low, now then we're going down completely. So yeah, that is a little bit weak. Like I said, we're going down here. This would be then the new price target. To be honest, I also don't think that we're going to hold it. We're probably going to break down and then test the 2400 level, and then maybe around here that will be the 2200 to kind of retest this area, because so far we have not really done it. One thing I have to say though, that you see that the breakdown does not go with a lot of volume, so be careful and put in a tight stop loss. Same also goes for Ethereum. This is on a 15 minute. Let's zoom out a little bit on the hourly. You see that there's not a lot of volume. I mean, these spikes here, they were much bigger. So yeah, let's see how it goes. But yeah, it could, seeing the current trend, since we're still going down, like I said, my guess is just we're going down. So I might most likely put in a short position with a tight stop loss, just in case a low leverage. And yeah, then we'll see how far this goes. And once I'm a bit of a profit, then probably around this level, I'm going to scale out. So that's what I'm going to do. If this really just waterfalls down like this, if it's really that kind of price action, then I might be holding the position open, because we have seen it a lot, and those are the very painful long grinds down. And then usually sometimes we can just go do one of these, lower, wham, and then we're going back up. So that's kind of what I'm looking out for. Okay, I promise to keep this short, so this is the end of the video. Please guys, do me a favor, like, subscribe, click the bell, click on also if you miss anything. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, post there daily, multiple times about trades, about what I see in the news, economics, all kinds of good stuff. So if you want to follow me there, please feel free, all the links in the description, and I'll see you guys very soon again. Thank you, bye bye.